my channel. My name's Tina, and it's Boxycharm Day! Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. For $21 a month, you get 4 to 5 full-size products. Sometimes you get 4 full-size products and a 5th sample-size product. There's been multiple variations over the time I've been with Boxycharm. It is a mystery box, so you do not know which variation you're going to get. I find the best way to not be disappointed is to try not to look at the items you could get in your box. There are usually 1 or 2 items that everybody's gonna get, and I know what they are this month, so I have not done my makeup. If you enjoy makeup, then this subscription might be a great subscription for you. There's a link below. Yeah, let's jump into this and show you what I got this month. The very first thing you notice when you open up your Boxycharm, and this month's theme is Afterglow. On the back of that is detailed information about each product in the box and how much it's worth. First thing out of the box is a Pharmacy Clean Bee. Now, a few months ago, I received the Pharmacy Green Clean. This balm is amazing. Like, oh my god, so good. I am pretty excited about this. I normally don't have enough cleansers and would be like over the moon about this. And now I'm getting them in other things, so I have like cleansers for days, which is great. I have no problem with that, but it's just kind of funny how that works. This is an ultra gentle facial cleanser. It's great because it goes from English to French. And I don't speak French, so let's find the English part of this sucker. As an ultra gentle facial cleansing gel that washes away surface oil, impurities, pollutants, residue, and makeup, while nourishing skin with honey and hyaluronic acid. My skin loves hyaluronic acid, so hopefully this will be a huge hit for me. I'd seen on accident, like yesterday I was going through my Facebook site and I saw a picture of this and I was like, oh, that looks interesting. And not knowing if I was getting it or not. Reviews on this were weird. Apparently there was something else people would rather have had than this. Whatever, I'm happy with this. I'm gonna use a facial wash, like guarantee it. I'm gonna use it. Unless it makes my face go all tight and I can't smile or something terrible like that. I am excited to try this. So the next item out of the box is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This is an excellent mascara and does a great job. I used to wear this all the time. I no longer use this because it flakes on me, and while I do have tricks around that, I have discovered another mascara that is my basically holy grail. I'm willing to try other ones, but since I already know this one really well and I do have so many mascaras, I am going to put this in a giveaway. But I can tell you this is an excellent mascara. It is many, many, many people's holy grail mascara. The minor problem I have with it is very easy to fix. Next out of the box is, oh, this is one of my favorite brands. Like everything I've gotten from these guys, I have loved. This is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. Now, I am so pale sometimes. Sometimes I'm not quite so pale, but usually I'm super pale. This highlighter looks amazing. It does have that slight goldy look to it. It goes on very nicely. It looks beautiful. Instead of being gold, it's kind of got a pink rosy shift to it. That is gorgeous, and I think it's going to look beautiful on my skin. I am so excited about this. Like, I live for their blush. I love their eyeshadow. Their eyeliner is amazing. Yeah, so many things going on. This brand, Boxycharm, thank you for sending it to me. Next is, oh, and here's the item that we're going to use, like, right now. This is the No Pore-Blem Primer. It is a nice pink. It comes in a very nice glass bottle with a very nice pump. We're just going to take 2 pumps, dot that all over my face. If you're not into silicone primers, I don't think you're going to enjoy this one very much. The smell is kind of a fresh scent. It's not super bad, nor is it overpowering, but the slipperiness and feel of this on the skin, some people really hate that. or for other people it just doesn't work. I'm going to let that dry down. As I'm sitting here looking at it, it does look like it did fill in some of my pores. It doesn't look like it filled in my pores as well as some of my other brands have. My Cover FX, you like look poreless with that stuff. So the last thing in here is by Tray Stick. It looks like this. It has this neat little funky cap on it and a really weird shaped lipstick thingy, because that is an odd shape, is it not? It's like an oval. We will see how that works out. And it has a very nice magnetic click. I love that sound. How cool is that? And then it says down here primer, and there's a little lipstick primer in there. I'm going to use this little thing of lipstick primer, which feels very nice on. I like that. It's very nice and smooth and kind of thick, and it feels like it's filling in any fine lines, which is what I would want my lipstick primer to do. I guess I kind of messed up on this primer. The brand is Touch in Soul. It creates a seamless canvas for your foundation, blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of freshness. It doesn't say anything about oil. I normally spray over the top of my primers with my Scandinavia Oil Control Primer. It's just a spray. I don't believe it fills in pores. So I'm just going to go over the top of this. Because I do that every day. Like, I don't want to look at this other one and be like, it sucks. When in fact it doesn't. It's just that I'm used to, you know, the oil not breaking up my foundation and stuff anymore. I'm going to let this dry down and I will bring you back when I'm putting on my foundation. Hey guys, so I thought I would come back and check in real quick. So I did some contouring and my foundation, or one layer of foundation, because I'm going to do 2 layers of foundation, because my foundation that I attempted to do today, because I was using that other primer, didn't want to use a different primer, but I wanted an illuminating look, and so I took my Magic Lumi Drops and combined it with Milani, and now I look like Vampire off Twilight. Super glowy looking. I am going to take my matte Tarte Pore Perfecting whatever stuff, mineral powder. Stuff is really good. Looking at my pores and stuff, where I have my problem with pores is here, and then here, obviously. I get some. Those are my biggest areas. So far, I think it looks really, really good. As I'm looking at it, I think it looks beautiful with that primer. I'm going to move in here. I'm out of contacts and I can't wear glasses while I put on makeup. Trust me, when you're looking at pores, reading glasses are your friend. So we're standing here hoping that I just don't have on like their bad eyesight filter. Because right now I'm thinking it looks really darn good. There's only 2 things in this box that I'm going to be using, which is the highlight and the lipstick. I also got my Let's Get Wild Colorpop Mystery bag. And when I opened it up, it was the exact, every item exactly the same as one of the bags that my friend Jenny channel is going to be listed here. She's totally awesome. I did a collab with her a while back. I absolutely adore her. What I got in here was I got a couple of Super Shock shadows. This one in Drift. All my Color Shock shadows, and I don't know if it's the weather or what, but you can see them shrinking around the edges already. They went bad on me so fast. I'm going to use the Colorpop new mascara that came in here. Then we have the pressed powder Snake Eyes. I'm not entirely convinced I don't already own this shade. It is very pretty. It is a shade I would have bought. I'll grab my Colorpop DIY. I have also got the Party of 5 Super Shock Shadow, which I know for a fact that I own. This says Ofra, but these are mainly my Colorpop eyeshadows. There's also some Makeup Geek and Color Green in here. These ones here are all for certain Colorpop. I don't see Snake Eyes in there. So let's do a look with all of this stuff and get going because apparently my dentist just called and wants me to come early. Okay, so I'm going to take my Essence eyeshadow, and that's on my RCMA No Color Powder using a huge brush. When you're in a hurry and it's all the damn same, huge brushes work. I'm going to do my brows. I will be right back. Okay, my brows are misbehaving super badly. Again, I don't really have time to screw around with them right now. I'm going to take this neutrally shade here, Day Rate by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And since it is closing in on Valentine's Day, let's go super pink. I have this matte pink over here, Poodle, that is from Colorpop. Now I'm going to take a bit of this purple here. This is in Ladyship. It is from Colored Rain. So now I'm going to take Drift. These apply best with your finger. Now I'm taking Liar Liar on a teeny tiny little brush and just doing my inner corner. I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer and clean up. There's like hardly any fallout from these though. They're pretty freaking amazing. So I have my Pacifica Duo here, and these are the coconut fused blushes. I'm just going to grab some bronzer, this one in the middle from right here on this Sephora thing. I'm going to take Drift and line my lower lash line with it. And now I'm taking the nude eyeliner from Smashbox, and I'm just going to do my waterline. I have my Pacifica Rainbow Halo Drops. I'm going to put those on my inner corner and just blend with my finger. My Smashbox Felt Tip Eyeliner. My Tarteist Lash Paint. Time to play with this gorgeous highlighter from Pretty Vulgar. Oh yeah, that applies beautifully and is an excellent color from my skin tone. I applied the primer from this a while ago, so it should be ready. Now I'm applying this Febuary lipstick before I go to the dentist, who's just gonna love this. That shade is gorgeous and it matches my look today perfectly. It is not that shade, by the way. Like, it sort of kind of is, but it's not. It's way lighter than it looks, way easier to wear. I like the primer underneath. I hope this stays on. I don't think it's going to. My eyeliner looks like shit today. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara runs you $24, no doubt about that. There was a thing going around that these are expired. That's not true. They just reuse their codes. They do dry out though. Sometimes, you know, shit happens. And I totally forgot to use my Colorpop mascara. The Trescu Lip Glaze and primer is $25. I actually really liked that. I didn't think I was going to. The Pharmacy Gentle Facial Cleanser is $22. Verdict's out on that. I haven't tried it yet. The Touch in Sol No More pore-blems is $18 primer. So far, I'm okay with that one. It's not like amazing, but it's not bad. The Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter is $32, and this is gorgeous. It is a little on the high end. Love it so much. Blast myself with some setting spray. Alright guys, give me prayers for the dentist. I'm gonna need them. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!